Hey, it's Shay again. In this video, I just want to show you a new campaign that I recently started. It's doing really well. I'm actually really happy with it, and I'm showing these methods to my students already, but I just wanted to show you the earnings that this thing has been able to do in a fairly short time. So I'm just going to log into the network here that I started using for this campaign. I do work with many other networks, probably about 3 others, but the results, the earnings in this one are pretty awesome already, so I just wanted to show you this one. So these, as you can see, probably see some numbers here, but I just want to change the date back to about when I know I started this campaign. I was probably messing around with some things, just learning things for say 2 weeks or so, just dabbling in a few things, just trying to figure some things out. But I just changed the date back to about the 27th of the 8th. So it's right around about 50 days, and I'll just put this on 100 so it displays all. And so it's right around about 54 days ago that I started this campaign. I'm just scrolling down here. I just want to show you the campaign, what it was like when I started it. Okay, so when I really started this campaign, as you can see, I just want to run through some numbers here. 25 bucks, okay, $25 there, and quickly went into $100 days, as you can see. $200 days pretty quickly, and straight up into $300 and $400 days there on the 4th of the 9th. So plenty more $200, $300 days. 300, 630, pretty big day, pretty quickly there. So really awesome. I'm stoked with this campaign. Plenty more. Most of the smaller days are days that I didn't actually, we don't run the campaign, and I'll tell you more about why we do that later. But as you can see, just look at some of the numbers. I only just started this, as I said, 50 odd days ago. And it's going this well, and this is exactly what I teach my students. They already know these methods, and if you're already a student, you will know this network that I work with, or all the networks that I work with. But yeah, 200, 400, 400, another $600 day there, 300, 600, 400, 300, 400, 500. 700, okay, 500, so 700 on the 17th right there of October. So yeah, awesome numbers, and I just wanted to show you this real quick. I'm looking to double this exact campaign in the next 30 days, but the main reason I'm doing this is to show you that new things online are still possible. Okay, it's still possible if you know what you are doing. And I can certainly show you what I'm doing, okay? I can show you what I'm doing as I do with my current students right now, but I'm certainly not going to be showing this to everyone forever, okay? So you need to take action. Take action right now. Click the link in the description of this video now and visit secretonlinewealth.com. And I'll just go to my site right now for you so you can see. So just enter in your best email, and I'll send you all the information, my entire method of what I'm doing. What you just saw in this video, I'm going to show you. And it doesn't even matter if you have no experience. That's fine. If you have a job and you're trying to replace that income, or even if you've been online for a while and you're just trying to break through, I'll show you everything I'm doing, and I'll help you get to that next level. So just enter in your best email, and I'll give you instant access to my entire method. If you haven't already, click the link in the description right now. Go to secretonlinewealth.com. As soon as you get to that website, enter in your best email, hit instant access, and if you have any questions, when you get my welcome email, just hit reply. I'll get right back to you with answers to your questions. So click the link in the description to visit secretonlinewealth.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Shay Corty, and I'll work with you really soon.